changing. And we change too.
I know some people, they would die for me.
There are moments that separate us,
They're my family.
but we always come back together.
We heard y'all needed a little love out here.
Y'all ever thought about the wild missions we've been on? We've taken out planes, trains, tanks. I'm not gonna even think about the submarine. And now we got cars flying in the air? Who is he?
Jacob is Dom's brother.
Been a long time, Dom.
Little brother.
You always say never turn your back on family, but you turned your back on me. Now your little family is in my world.
Are you ready?
Whatever's on you,
Is you ready?
it's on us.
Are you ready?
He's got his own private army. We need help.
Bring what you got.
No way.
Is you ready? Whole squad ready.
So how do y'all want to play this?
Fast.
We going We going Whole squad ready.
Okay, this is a bad time to mention this, but I don't drive.
Brother against brother. This should be interesting. But could you kill him?
Get the e-brake for me, would you, darling?
Crank it all the way up.
We the soldiers. Man, we messing with magnets now? If you woke, don't wake up. Whoa. Can't front. Yeah, everything we gave up. Even when we die, we raise up. Yeah!
It's good to be back.
We got no white flag and no treaty. We got the product. We got the tools. We supposed to stop that? Hold on! We going wild. We on the loose. People is blind. We are the truth.
I spent my entire life in your shadow. And now, you spend the rest of yours living in mine.
We going wild. We on the loose.
Not today.
We are the
Really? Duct tape? You acting like we on our way to Home Depot.
Hunter! No, Ted! I don't want to die!
The past isn't dead.
James, fate draws us back together. Now your enemy is my enemy.
His name is Sefin.
And what does he want?
Revenge. Me.
When her secret finds its way out, it'll be the death of you.
You can imagine why I've come back to play.
There's a young lady in Santiago I want you to meet.
You're late.
When you're ready. Salute.
I met your new 00. She's a disarming young woman.
I get why you shot him. Yeah, well, everyone tries at least once.
James Bond.
We both eradicate people to make the world a better place. I just want to be a little tidier.
Come on, Bond. Where the hell are you?
flown one of these?
Nope.
Harder to tell the good from bad, villains from heroes these days.
What is it?
You don't know what this is. He's going to kill millions.
If we don't do this, there will be nothing left to save.
You don't know everything about me. I've lived a lot of lives. Before I was an Avenger. Before I got this family. I made mistakes choosing between what the world wants you to be and who you are. Go back to where it all started.
Where did you think I was all this time?
We have unfinished business.
My girls are the toughest girls in the world.
I'm sorry. We had our orders and we played our roles.
It wasn't real.
It was real to me. To me, you were everything.
Bring her home.
Put your seatbelts on. She's such a mom. One thing's for sure. I'm done running from my past.
Amelia and her father, they're all I have. Promise me. I need to know that they will be safe.
Stay down! Protect the package.
DEA, can we come in, please? Need help.
What happened? Is he hurt?
Is this a medical facility?
Okay.
These people are under my protection as possible witnesses in a federal trial.
You're followed. You're followed? By who?
Some very bad men.
Stay right there. You in charge here?
Yes.
Where's the girl?
I don't know.
The girl. You think you can turn your back on us? You have something that belongs to me. Where's the code? Enough!
God help us if we get another weak heel this season.
I got you all finished up.
I can do $50 cash.
Got a family. I don't think you guys are seeing the full picture. Catherine, you got a highway at the back of your field now. And where's your dairy business?
telling you, we gotta go big. We gotta get out.
Eddie Drake, Patriot Exploration.
Not interested.
We could pay up to $1,200 an acre. The world is leaving us behind.
I know you had a visitor today.
You make the decisions that's best for your family. I'll make the decisions that's best for mine. Does that sound like something you might be interested in?
Jesus, Dad, wake up!
I think I just close my eyes for a second. This was supposed to save us.